Hi, it's Doug from DTA Designs Inc. talking about submitting inspection reports. There are two types of inspection reports, the weekly scheduled inspection report and the non-scheduled or ad hoc inspection report. The only difference between the two is when you can submit them and if you have to do the entire inspection report before submitting the inspection report. In this video, we will be talking about submitting the ad hoc inspection report. To see the video about submitting scheduled inspection reports, please use the link supplied in the description of this video. After signing into your website, you'll be presented with the firefighter's homepage. Your homepage will look a little different than what is being shown to you here, as your website will be customized for your fire department. Also, your fire department may not have implemented all options available in the fire department theme. You can submit an ad hoc inspection report one of two ways. The first is by clicking on the outline button on the bottom, in this case labeled After Call, in the card titled Submit Inspection Reports from the home screen. The second way is by clicking on Inspection Reports from the menu bar, then by clicking on the outline button on the bottom labeled After Call in the card titled Submit Inspection Reports. No matter which way you use, you will be presented with a list of equipment that has been set up to have an ad hoc inspection report performed on them. As you can see, the only equipment for bedrock call that supports ad hoc inspection reports are air tanks and pumper 302. For comparison, we are now looking at the scheduled inspection report listings where you can see more than just the air tanks and pumper 302 for the bedrock call. Okay, we are back at the ad hoc after call inspection report listings. So let's click on the radio button to the left of pumper 302. Enter the odometer reading for pumper 302, then click on the Enter Odometer Reading button. We are presented with all the inspection sections relating to pumper 302. Since we are in the cab because of taking the odometer reading, let's do the cab inspection section by clicking the button to the left of cab. As mentioned in the video on submitting scheduled inspection reports, if we click on the Not OK button, a text box will appear. In this text box, we must state why the item is not okay. We will make everything okay for the cab section and click on the Submit Cab button. We are returned to the inspection section and listings screen and notice that the cab is no longer listed. We have a Finalize Inspection Report button after doing just one inspection compared to having to do all sections with the scheduled inspection reports. Since we covered how to do a complete inspection report in the video for submitting scheduled inspection reports, we will just do the cab section and click on the Finalize Inspection Report button. We get a confirmation pop-up asking if we are sure that we want to finalize the inspection report since it's not completely done. We can click on the Cancel button, which will return us to the Inspection Sections page, but in our case we'll click on the OK button. On the Finalized Inspection Report page, notice that just below the comments box in red is the text stating, "Please note this is a partial inspection report," confirming that we selected OK from the pop-up. This will also be shown to the reviewer, letting them know that this was a partial inspection report. Let's click on the Finalize Pumper 302 button now. We are returned to the ad hoc after call inspection report listings. And what is this? Pumper 302 is still listed? The reason for this is that with ad hoc inspection reports, you can submit more than one per day, so all equipment marked for ad hoc inspection reports will always be shown whether you just finished one or not. That concludes the video on submitting the ad hoc inspection reports within the fire department theme by DTA Designs Inc. Thanks for watching.